So, who is Shashi Kumar, firstly?
Yeah, hi Akshay. Nice to talk with you. And I have been watching your videos since 2 years, and nice to be in this channel once again. And my name is Shashi Kumar. I'm recently graduate in 2023, passed out. Currently working in Publicis Sapient as a trainee system engineer. That's it.
So, Shashi, putting spotlight on its hiring procedure. So, since you have been a part of Public Sapient hiring procedure, so what was your experience, Shashi? Like, how many rounds were there, and what was the toughness of the question? So, just give a complete brief talk on Toroid.
Publicis Sapient has come across to the campus during in January 2023. They hired few people from our campus, and again they have few roles in vacancies, and they approached to our college, and they have taken few more students to Publicis Sapient for in November month. And I got to know this from our college, and I applied for this Publicis Sapient, and the eligibility criteria is like everyone from BE, BTech, and the eligibility criteria is 60% or 6.5 CGPA. They have mentioned that one. And after applying all this one, they have screening test is available. Like everyone got eligible for this, and after that, we got to know we got exam link. It is. It consists. It is almost 2 hours, 120 minutes, and it consists for one is exam consists for 4 different kind of sections. Yes. One is quantitative, one is logical, one is verbal, and one is logical, like technical fundamentals of computer science. And we have coding section also, which consists 2 questions. Like basic kind of questions. Like one is I remember one is question on array, one is question on list. It is everyone can solve. Like that's it. Like I gonna mention that quantitative section. Every section has 25 questions. Like quantitative has 25, logical have 25, and verbal have 25. Technical MCQs have 25. That's it.
All right. So, in the initial talk, Shishu mentioned the eligibility criteria, right? So, 60% was in the 10th, 12th, and 6.5 in the degree, correct?
Yes.
And with no active backlogs.
Yes, exactly. Like everyone is eligible in no active backlog, and everyone is eligible. Like might be any string.
All right. And before getting that link which you mentioned, you had a screening round. So, screening round is nothing but this eligibility criteria, correct?
Yes, exactly. It is not based on the resume, it is based on the eligibility criteria. Yes.
All right. And you mentioned once you get the link, you had these 4 sections. Like first was like quantity, logical, and reasoning, and
verbal, and fundamentals of computer science.
Okay, technical. And in the your first round, you had these kind of questions, Shashi, like snippet will be given, predict the output of given snippet, such kind of MCQs.
Those were there, like it is mostly based on the OOPS concepts, I remember. Like the snippets was given in technical MCQs. Where in quantitative we got like basic questions like time and work and those kind of probability kind of things. And logical as usual. Verbal is in mostly missing question, missing words or antonyms, synonyms kind of things in verbal.
And coming
paragraphs also they have mentioned in verbal.
Cool. Well, that. So you mentioned you had 2 coding questions, and like coming to this choosing the option, Shashi, like how many available programming were there? Python, Java. So how many options were given?
I remember like most of them are given. Like I remember JavaScript, C++, C, Java, Python kind of thing. I code in C.
All right. So camera was on, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
Camera was on. All right. So what we are missing still before jumping to our technical run? Are we missing anything, Shashi?
The platform was given like a quiz platform. Yeah, it is a third-party platform which is combined with the Publicis Sapient from a few years.
All right.